Christmas. It's what I'm starting to hear, the whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas, we'll burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised as pretty presents. Everyone I know deserves a little bit of love. Every face I've seen through the year. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above.
Good Monday morning. So today we're doing a productive a productive Monday vlog, I guess we can call it. I need to do house cleaning because I haven't done it in a couple weeks. I also have some meal prep I got to get done this afternoon for the week because I don't think I mentioned it in the vlog yesterday that I filmed. I did get my heat fixed. That was a costly repair, but I have heat in my home again, which is nice. The plan for today, I had to call the chiropractor because I had a rib out last week and he got it back in partially. I'm still hurting and I don't think it's all the way in. So I have to go to the chiropractor at like 10:20 this morning. It's about 7:30. I want to get, if I can, the house clean before I go. So then after I can run to Sam's real quick. There's a couple things I need to get in there. And then I want to come home and do meal prep.
Petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides. Oh, Christmas, let's take our kindness inside and test it out for a ride and love each other. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, even when it's not always clear. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, we'll take that plain old green tree, color it beautifully like a makeover. Oh, Christmas, the word that's out on the street is that the season's complete when hearts are open. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, tenderness and smiles so sincere. Now's the time to reach out and to brighten someone's day. The magic of the holidays is here.
Already looking crazy. All right, so the dusting, the bathrooms are done, and trash has been gathered. So from here, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna have some breakfast, and then we'll do kitchen and floors. And it's not even 8 yet, it's almost 8. All right, I'm gonna finish dishes or not dishes, but cleaning the kitchen in a minute. The bed sheets are dry, so we're gonna go ahead and get the bed made.
Have you seen such a beautiful sight? Everyone's feeling jolly tonight. I can't wait for that look in your eyes, feeling that. Fa la la la, fa la la la, fa la la la. Can't believe that it's been a whole year. Now the day we've been waiting for's here. Only ask for one thing, it's you, dear. Bring on that. Fa la la la, fa la la la, fa la la la. Everyone's counting down. So in this Christmas time,
House is cleaned. I've refreshed, put on something clean so we can head out to my chiropractor appointment, which I need to leave like now.
Maybe we'll be the talk of the town when we're taking decorations down. Tell me, babe, will you still be around singing that?
Done at the chiropractor. That was rough. I feel like he's always beating up on me. Granted, I needed it, but all right, we're gonna run to Sam's because it's only 10:30.
It's counting down. So in this Christmas time, will we get it right? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true?
Thanks for choosing Starbucks. I can get started for you.
Can I get a grande peppermint mocha latte?
Yeah, that's hot for you.
Yeah,
Okay, grande hot peppermint mocha. What else can I get for you?
I think that'll actually be all.
All right, I'll have that total for you at the window, hon.
Thank you.
Christmas lights.
One of my meal prep items is Spanish rice. I get the rice roni and I make like little rice burritos out of them. So this is going to be lunch for the week, but I'm also going to have it for lunch today.
Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Maybe we'll be the talk of the town when they're taking decorations down. Tell me, babe, will you still be around singing that fa la la?
I'm going to add what I can to this and then put the rest of this in a Ziploc bag in the excess pantry.
So in this Christmas time, will we get it right? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Under these Christmas lights, will our stars align? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true?
I decided I'm just going to eat it this way. I'm going to go fold the load of towels while I eat this, and then we'll come back to meal prep.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you.
Didn't show, but I went ahead and took care of this area. And this has nothing in it. It's more just for decor purposes. And in this jar, I added that candy cane mix too, so it was easier to get a hold of. And then on here, I have my dark chocolate cherry cordials, those peppermint dusted truffles, and then these peppermint cookies I got from Target. This way, I have like a little dessert board I can grab from when I want a sweet treat. The eggs got like 3 minutes. And then we just kind of have to let everything cool down before I can assemble my sandwiches. And then after this, I can chill for the rest of the day. And I've done everything on my to-do list.
Under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you, yeah, you.
So this is where I'm going to wrap this video up, my productive Monday vlog. I got the house cleaned, which was much needed, and I'm so thankful it's done. Also, meal prepping done for lunch and breakfast. I did make a dinner last night, which you saw in the previous vlog. That was 2 nights worth. And then the other dinner I'll make on Tuesday night when I get off work, because I only work a half day on Tuesdays. But I hope you enjoyed watching me run around like a chicken with my head cut off and getting everything done. Maybe it motivated you to get some stuff done. But as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.